Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video. Angel Zuma, who protects the character of Nomkhosi on Umkhokha, was seen at the airport leaving the country for her international gig Lion King. One of people who was spotted saying his goodbye is her on-screen son Nduduko Mthembu. Please note that Angel Zuma is not the biological mother of Nduduko. Sibongile M is the biological mother, as people were asking whose child is Nduduko. So thank you guys for watching. I'll share the video, but I'll have to mute it because of music. I'm avoiding to be copyrighted. Bye.